How to log in to TikTok. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can log into TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to log into TikTok, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the TikTok application here. And once you launch the TikTok app, you're gonna see this type of interface where you can just skip this normal process. You can tap on start watching and you can start watching TikTok in this way. But you can just tap the profile icon from the bottom right here and then you can say login to TikTok. So where you can use your email, phone number or username to log in directly from here, or you can use your Facebook, Google, Twitter or Instagram account. Now in my case I have my TikTok logged in with Google. So if I tap and continue with Google, I'll be able to log in successfully to my TikTok account by just selecting my Google account here. This way I will be able to log into TikTok and so can you. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.